Coahoma Community College is a 2-year accredited public comprehensive institution of higher learning committed to serving as a catalyst for community and economic development in the rural Northwest Mississippi Delta region and beyond. The college provides accessible, diverse, quality, equitable education opportunities and support services that foster holistic growth in a student-centered learning environment. The college is committed to preparing students for college or university transfer and entry into a skilled workforce. Coahoma Community College strives to improve student success by developing a 5-year Quality Enhancement Plan that engages and empowers first-time ever in college FTEIC students to be empowered and successful in a revitalized and enhanced advisement protocol with reinforcement from a revitalized orientation course. The proposed QEP topic is Road to Success, Revitalizing Orientation and Advisement Development.
We are an institution providing educational services, and our effectiveness is based in large on the success of our students. So this QEP proposal, Road to Success, is aimed at making certain that students reach their educational goals, not on their own. We partner with them on day one by ensuring that they have at least 2 touches with us, a faculty member or a counselor, once before midterm, once after midterm. And we are very excited about the likelihood of increasing the chances of students reaching their educational goals.
Quality Enhancement Plan is a way to help Coahoma assist students in being successful, and the plan is a 5-year plan. But before you get to the plan, you have a 3-year process where you research, investigate, you look at all Coahoma's strengths and weaknesses, and you look at a way that will help students if you improve an area, and it will most and help students be more successful. And as we were researching and using all of our constituents and stakeholders' questionnaires and feedback, we realized that advising was what we wanted to focus on.
From being a part of this process, everything is about leading them down a road to success, all right? And for this particular project, Road is all about revitalizing orientation and advising development. We gotta lead students towards a destination. So if success is the destination, then we've gotta point students in that direction. Being involved in this initiative, it really gives us a chance to set students up on the front end. It gives us a chance to highlight students who need certain programs, who need certain resources. But it also allows us to highlight those students who may not be in need of those particular resources, but they need an extra push to go somewhere else.
I'm actually impressed with our new QEP, Road to Success here at Coahoma, because it helps us students get more acclimated in what we have going here. If it's just only knowing who your advisor is, where your classes are located, and where the mission building is, it just provides a better service for us between our teachers and staffs.
The work behind the scenes. So let me be completely honest and tell you that that committee, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, we actually started conversation 5 years ago on what we were going to do. 5 or 6 years ago, we've been talking about what the topic would be. So we were in rooms many times, faculty members talking about what is our students' greatest needs, what are our students' greatest challenges, what is the single most important thing we can do right now to help our students stay in school, to help our students persist and graduate. So we started conversations 5 or 6 years ago. As we got closer to this particular time, we had meetings that were more focused, that were more narrow in scope, and we fought over topics. we argued very passionately and very intentionally, because the faculty, the administration, also the president's office, and all staff members, we all care. about the students here at Coahoma. So the passion wasn't driven by a desire to have our way when it came to the QEP. The passion and the intense arguments or discussions were taking place because we want our students to be successful. And we all believe that our students can be successful here. And we believe that we can help them achieve their academic goals or their educational goals. We all believe in it.
We shouldn't ever, once we make this advance forward, there's no looking back. And also learning how to do this, the initiatives and stuff will help us to develop other goals and other benefits for the student. So as we move along, the students are not only here to learn, we're here to learn also. And we're learning how to better serve our students and our constituencies.
The road to success. I think that's a really good title to inspire our staff and teachers and administration, and to inspire students to keep going, to keep working towards success. And I think that the process that we have put in place, the QEP, of revitalizing orientation to assist students in starting out where they need to, and then another advisement development along during the semester to move them towards the next step, the next semester, next step in their education, I think will work well. I think it's a really good plan.
After reviewing CCC data, focusing on areas of the needed improvement and opinions of the college's constituents and stakeholders and the 5-county district to determine needs and solutions, the consensus was to focus on a targeted audience of FTEIC. These freshmen usually overcome many obstacles to enroll and be retained in college. As a result of the QEP team's review, the results revealed that assisting students in their first-time experiences in college will encourage the focus group to be engaged, empowered for success, and retained throughout their educational career at CCC.
There are other issues that prevent students from staying in school, such as I know at one point we had a student that couldn't pay their electricity bill, but the student navigator knew a community organization that would pay it for her. So she was able to get that paid, and that was a relief for her, so now she could study. So it's extremely important. Students cannot navigate without help.
I am glad that Coahoma Community College has developed the Road to Success plan. I feel like it has many great elements that will push the students to become more successful.
There are different guidelines we have to follow that SACs have put down. And basically, we followed the playbook. We did surveys, we did questionnaires, we interviewed students, faculty, staff, and community organizations, and found out what was important to them.
We all understand that if we're going to be open as an institution, we have to make certain that we increase the likelihood of our students reaching their goals. So we all have to do our part to make certain that our students will be able to increase the likelihood of reaching their goals.
That acronym, Road to Success, says so much, or speaks to the work that this college is prepared to perform in order to ensure the success of every student who walks through the doors of Coahoma Community College, every student who signs on the internet to become a student. That road to success, it doesn't mean once you get here. Road to success means before you come, we want to know all about you. We want to know how to prepare for you before you get here, so that challenges you may face, we want to already have an answer in place, or we want to have some measures in place to protect you from ever encountering some of those problems. That's what Road to Success. Once you step foot on this path to completing an education here at Coahoma, when you step foot on that path, we're ready. We're ready to hold your hand. We're ready to walk beside you. We're ready to go the first mile with you along that road. We're ready to meet you 5 miles down the road. Wherever you encounter challenges on that road to your successful graduation, we're right there with you every step of the way.
Whether our students are enrolling into one of Coahoma's 15 career and technical programs, 8 health science, or one of more than 61 degree parallel programs, our commitment to the success of our college and its students is paramount. For 70 years, we've had an unwavering belief in an education rooted in creativity, values, and intellectual curiosity. Much has changed since Coahoma opened its doors in 1949. 70 years later, we remain a vital part of our community, changing the lives of countless successful Tiger alums. This is our charge. This is our mission.